You done been in school all day, work all night, tryna pay them bills and buy things you like. Do it for them kids, tryna change their life. They don't know the.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. If you're into anything that in life, mommy motivation, cleaning motivation, stuff like that, I am your girl. So hit the subscribe button. I'm Jazzii and this is my journey. Hey guys. She's jumping on my bed. So I'm sorry. I came upstairs to get my tripod because we about to clean. I don't know why I didn't wait till I got back downstairs to do the intro, but go turn the light off and ride the room. It be like that. This is what it is. So I'm gonna show y'all what we're working with. Yesterday I kind of straightened out the foyer already. So yeah, I'm about to just show y'all. Oh my gosh. Ugh. About to show y'all what's, oh my, I'm just doing everything. What's about to get done. Foyer is not bad. I cleaned it yesterday. I swept and everything, but the kids are outside playing. I put some plants in a planter right there. That's cute. So we just gotta kind of straighten off that thing. Get rid of the princess. She doesn't belong in this area. Straighten out this thing. Not too much. Not too bad, right? This area, I cleaned the bathroom yesterday. I did not record that, so we won't be cleaning the bathroom right now. We got this going on. I'm having a debate on if I'm gonna clean out those baskets or not, but I'm definitely gonna straighten out this whole area. I'm also debating on if I'm gonna clean out those baskets or not, but I gotta clean up this. Watching Gina. I gotta clean off the couch and that couch. Wait, do it again. I wasn't on you. My bro got a headache. And then the thing that I really want to focus on, the most important thing, is cleaning up the kitchen. Last night all I did was put some stuff in the dishwasher, so this is all still from, child, I don't know, since I've been back from my trip. We're not gonna talk about it. I gotta clean off this counter, all the counters, because like I said, since I got back from my trip, I got back on Saturday. Today is Wednesday. We're not gonna talk about that. I made chili last night, so this is rice and cornbread that I just made to go with the chili because I didn't make anything last night with it. Clean off this, their table, of course, all of these wonderfully amazing dishes. Put away the dishes that are in there and the table, and I'm going to sweep and mop. The tiny humans are apparently trying to flip the trampoline for some reason. No, we're not doing that. Pick those oranges up though. You are. You're going pretty high. But we're not going to pick Rayne up because that's dangerous. Okay, little people?
Well, what happened?
She could fall and break a bone.
Which bone?
All on.
At the same time?
Depends. Why y'all not have on no shirts? Anyways, I'm about to. You do not need 18 oranges a day.
This is my signal. You skipped me in an apple.
We finna clean this kitchen, y'all. Let me put y'all on the real tripod and we finna get it done. Usually I would do the living room first, but I'm feeling kind of tired, so I think I want to do the kitchen first because I feel like if I do the living room first, then I won't do the kitchen. So sorry, I thought the kids was wrestling. So yeah, we're gonna just move on to the kitchen now. I'm extending the tripod and we about to get up in here. last time I cleaned off the refrigerator, but just that wipe, wow. I'm dirty. I'm dirty. In case y'all can't tell, I'm making a TikTok. Follow me on TikTok, Journey to Jazzii. I'm also making an Instagram reel, Journey to Jazzii. Why y'all not follow me already? What's the problem? What's up? Now we move on to this counter. Somebody explain to me how I made it worse. Everything else look good. It smell good in here, but y'all, this we just gonna. I'm gonna put y'all here so we could get it started. Transparent moment, guys. It is 2 days later and the kitchen is still not clean. I will show you some progress. Y'all saw that I had cleaned off the table, I had cleaned off the counters and the stove and the microwave. Y'all saw all of that. The only thing I had not done at that time was the dishes. My sister did come over and wash about 90% of the dishes. My sister did come over and wash like 90% of the dishes. So it's not that many dishes left. Like these dishes are literally the rest of the ones from the other day when I was filming, because I didn't cook. We had pizza, as y'all can see. And I don't think I'm about to finish cleaning up now because I'm getting ready to go. Today is Saturday. It is my cousin's bridal shower. It is 10 a.m. and I need to go to the store and get my kids some snacks and stuff because I'm about to take them over their Pop-Pop's house. And then I'm going to put the hammer down. And then I'm going to the bridal shower. And then after the bridal shower, we're going bowling. So maybe I'll clean up after bowling. Probably not. It'll be tomorrow. It'll be tomorrow. But yeah, this is just, yeah, this is real. My videos, they're not staged. I clean up when I clean up, and y'all get it when I get it to you. y'all, and welcome back to another day of the same video. I don't know the last time I picked up the camera to clean the kitchen, but I will say this. My battery is dying. How rude. I'll be right back. Okay, so like I was saying before, my battery rudely interrupted me. I don't know the last time I picked up the camera during cleaning. Y'all saw me clean the living room, the dining room, the foyer, all of the countertops. Y'all saw me set up to start the dishes. Y'all saw me not do dishes. Y'all saw me come back to tell y'all I was about to clean up again. It still didn't happen. Y'all saw Ryan washing dishes. Y'all didn't see Tamaria wash the dishes at one point. Daquan cleaned the kitchen at one point. It's been at least 6 days worth of kitchen cleaning. That has I just haven't finished the video. So we about to finish this video finally. And it's like starting over. We're not gonna do the living room and stuff again on camera. We're not doing that. We only doing the kitchen so that this video could be done. So I can record me cleaning the living room for a whole separate video, because it's like it never happened, because it was a long time ago. Anyways, here we go. This is what the kitchen is looking like. We got an uncle making breakfast. We had pizza last night, so the counter is a mess. I made me a new hairspray bottle. Too. Dishes as usual. This is a little bit messy. I'm probably not gonna do this on camera because it's really not that much. I just gotta take the bag off the table, so we're not even gonna we ain't studying it. It's really this is the problem. This is the problem right here. This is the problem. But yeah, my brother is making some breakfast, pancakes, eggs, sausage. There's bacon in the oven, and while he's doing that, I'm finna start on these dishes for the 59th time in this video. Okay, y'all, a whole week later and everything is finally done. Let's do a quick overview of the clean downstairs. Foyer, check. That has to go in the car. Disregard. Over there by the couch, clean. Got everything up, vacuumed. Bathroom is clean. I didn't do that on video. Living room is clean. Those 3 bags are for donation. Disregard them. And we're about to have a Nerf war. So stay tuned for that vlog. Or maybe you've already seen it. I don't know which video is going up first. Then, the kitchen. So we have cleaned off the dining room area. I was listening to my music and drinking my water. Gotta put the kids on some deodorant because I said we're gonna go to the Nerf war. The kitchen is clean, as y'all saw. Dad stepped in and helped me so I can go change my clothes. Dishes are done. Floor is swept. Everything looks awesome. And it smells really good in here. I got like 7 candles burning. Don't look good. Hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to continue the journey with me. Love you guys. Bye.
Do it for them kids tryna change their life. They don't know the grind tryna change your life.